Frontal lobe. The frontal lobe sits right behind the forehead and is one of the most advanced parts of the human brain. It is responsible for decision-making, planning, self-control, personality, and complex thinking. This region allows you to weigh consequences, solve problems, and make long-term plans instead of reacting purely on instinct. It also plays a central role in regulating emotions and social behavior, helping you act appropriately in different situations. The frontal lobe is heavily involved in focus and attention, making it essential for productivity and goal setting. It is also the last part of the brain to fully develop, which explains why impulse control and judgment improve with age. Damage to this area can lead to personality changes, poor decision-making, and difficulty controlling behavior. Parietal lobe. The parietal lobe processes sensory information such as touch, temperature, pain, and pressure, allowing you to physically experience the world around you. It integrates signals from different parts of the body to create a coherent sense of awareness, helping you understand where your body is in space. This function, known as spatial awareness, is critical for coordination and movement. The parietal lobe also plays a role in tasks involving numbers, reading, and interpreting symbols, linking physical sensation with cognitive understanding. It allows you to judge distance, size, and direction, which is essential for everyday actions like reaching for objects or navigating environments. Without proper function in this area, even simple movements can become disoriented or inaccurate. Temporal lobe. The temporal lobe is located on the sides of the brain, near the ears, and is primarily responsible for hearing, language comprehension, and memory formation. It allows you to interpret sounds, recognize voices, and understand spoken language. This region works closely with memory systems to store and retrieve experiences, especially those linked to sound and emotion. The temporal lobe also helps you recognize faces and objects, making it crucial for social interaction and environmental awareness. It plays a strong role in emotional memory, which is why certain songs or sounds can instantly bring back vivid experiences or feelings. Occipital lobe. The occipital lobe is located at the back of the brain and is entirely dedicated to visual processing. It takes raw information from the eyes and transforms it into meaningful images, allowing you to recognize shapes, colors, movement, and depth. This region works rapidly to interpret visual input so you can react to your surroundings in real time. It also collaborates with other brain areas to identify faces, objects, and patterns. Even though your eyes capture light and images, it is the occipital lobe that makes sense of what you are seeing. Damage to this area can result in partial or complete vision loss, even if the eyes themselves are functioning normally. Cerebellum. The cerebellum sits at the lower back of the brain and plays a critical role in balance, coordination, and the precision of movement. It ensures that your actions are smooth, controlled, and accurate, rather than jerky or uncoordinated. This structure constantly receives information from the body and adjusts movements in real time, allowing you to maintain posture and stability. It is essential for motor learning, meaning it helps you improve skills through practice, such as playing an instrument or mastering a sport. The cerebellum also contributes to timing and rhythm, which are important not only in physical activity, but also in speech. Without it, even basic movements, like walking or reaching, would become difficult and unstable. Brainstem. The brainstem is located at the base of the brain and connects it directly to the spinal cord. It is responsible for controlling vital, automatic functions that keep you alive, such as breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, and digestion. These processes occur without conscious effort, allowing your body to function even when you are asleep or unconscious. The brainstem also regulates basic reflexes like swallowing, coughing, and blinking. It serves as a communication pathway, transmitting signals between the brain and the rest of the body. Because of its essential role in survival, damage to the brainstem can be life-threatening and disrupt core bodily functions. Hippocampus. The hippocampus is a small, curved structure located deep within the brain and is crucial for forming new memories and learning. It acts as a processing center that converts short-term experiences into long-term memories, helping you retain information over time. This region is especially important for spatial memory, allowing you to navigate environments and remember locations. It works closely with other brain areas to organize and store different types of memories, from facts to personal experiences. The hippocampus is also sensitive to stress, which can affect memory formation and recall. Damage to this area can result in difficulty creating new memories, even if older memories remain intact.
Amygdala. The amygdala is an almond-shaped structure that plays a central role in processing emotions, particularly fear, anxiety, and threat detection. It acts as an early warning system, allowing you to respond quickly to danger before you consciously analyze the situation. This rapid response is essential for survival, triggering reactions like fight, flight, or freeze. The amygdala also helps store emotional memories, which is why intense experiences are often remembered more vividly. It interacts closely with other brain regions to influence behavior, decision-making, and social interactions. An overactive amygdala can contribute to heightened anxiety or stress responses.
Thalamus. The thalamus is located near the center of the brain and acts as a relay station for sensory information. Almost all incoming sensory signals, except for smell, pass through the thalamus before being directed to the appropriate areas for processing. It helps prioritize and filter information, ensuring that the brain focuses on what is most important at any given moment. The thalamus also plays a role in regulating consciousness, alertness, and sleep cycles. By coordinating the flow of information, it ensures smooth communication between different parts of the brain. Without it, sensory processing would become disorganized and inefficient. Hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is a small but powerful region located just below the thalamus, responsible for maintaining the body's internal balance. It regulates essential functions such as hunger, thirst, body temperature, and hormonal activity. This structure acts as a link between the nervous system and the endocrine system, controlling the release of hormones through the pituitary gland. It plays a major role in maintaining homeostasis, ensuring that the body stays within optimal conditions. The hypothalamus also influences behaviors related to survival, such as eating, drinking, and reproduction. Its ability to regulate internal states is crucial for overall health and stability. Basal ganglia. The basal ganglia are a group of structures deep within the brain that are primarily involved in movement control and habit formation. They help initiate and regulate voluntary movements, ensuring they are smooth and properly timed. This system is also responsible for developing routines and automatic behaviors, allowing you to perform repeated actions without conscious effort. It plays a key role in learning through repetition, reinforcing patterns over time. The basal ganglia are also connected to motivation and reward systems, influencing how habits are formed and maintained. Dysfunction in this area is linked to movement disorders such as Parkinson's disease. Corpus callosum. The corpus callosum is a thick band of nerve fibers that connects the left and right hemispheres of the brain. It allows both sides to communicate and share information, enabling coordinated and integrated brain function. This connection is essential for tasks that require both logical and creative thinking, as each hemisphere specializes in different processes. The corpus callosum ensures that sensory input, motor actions, and cognitive functions are synchronized across the brain. It plays a crucial role in complex problem solving, language, and coordination. Without it, the two halves of the brain would operate more independently, reducing overall efficiency and integration.